What is the primary responsibility of a product owner in Scrum? And the first option here is ensuring that the Scrum events are followed. No, it is not the product owner's responsibility to ensure that the Scrum events are followed. Rather, it is the Scrum Master's responsibility to make sure that Scrum is being practiced or done the way it should by every team members. He also oversees all the Scrum events. The next one says writing code for the development team. No, this is not the responsibility of a product owner. Writing code for the development team is done by the development team and not all the development team. It is done by the software engineers in the development team, because in the development team you have a different skilled or experts. You have the DevOps, you have the testers, you have the UI UX designers, and what have we, depending on the Scrum team and the project that is being done or the product that is being built. And the software engineers could be a front end engineer. It could also be a back end engineer. So for the front end, they work on the front end of applications, and the back end, they work on the back end of the applications. Then we have some guys who do both of these. They do both the front end and the back end. We call them the full stack developers. So it is the responsibility of the software engineers in the development team to write the code and not the product owner, as it were. And the next one says maximizing the value of the product. This looks more like it. Let's look at the other option before we finally decide on our answer. Managing the development team. No, nobody manages the development team. They are self-organizing team players and professionals who know what they are doing, how they should do it, and when they should do it. So nobody manages them. Whilst the Scrum Master oversees and makes sure Scrum is being practiced the way it should be practiced, he does not necessarily manage the team. He is a servant leader and not a manager. The answer here is maximizing the value of the product. Yes, so the product owner is focused on delivering value. So there is an objective or a goal, and there is a roadmap that is designed to achieve the objectives or the goal. Now, all the product owner is doing is maximizing value of everything that is being done, that is done according to the roadmap, and it would lead them to achieving the goal or the objectives. Whilst changes can be made to the roadmap to adapt to suggestions and feedbacks, but it needs to maximize the value of the product by following what has been agreed at that point in time to be done in order to achieve what they all have decided to achieve. So the most correct answer here is this. So maximizing the value of the product is correct because the product owner ensures the team works on the features that deliver the most value to customers and stakeholders.